1 in 3 individuals suffer from some form of dental health problem, yet the condition is never really given the importance that it deserves. They are not treated in the same way that other ailments are. This would explain why people never take any action on their teeth until the pain sets in. Maybe this is because they are afraid to see a dentist. But thanks to a new revolutionary dental health formula, you can now solve all your tooth problems with this powerful solution. The supplement is an all-natural formula that comes in liquid form, so no preparation is required. But does Dentitox Pro work, or is it just another scam being offered? Dentitox Pro is an alternative dental care supplement in liquid form that can be directly applied to your teeth and gums. The Dentitox Pro formula was developed and perfected by nature and natural medicine enthusiast, Marc Hall. His years of experience studying plants and their health benefits helped him develop the Dentitox Pro formula. It can help with problems like weak teeth, painful gum problems, and bad breath. The reason Marc's formula is unique is that he is adamant that all the ingredients are sourced from local growers who let plants reach their maturity and use no chemical treatments. He also makes sure that precise amounts of the ingredients are used and they are mixed in the right way following strict sterile standards. It is 100% organic, non-GMO and safe, and is effective in keeping all dental issues away. It is also manufactured in an FDA-approved facility following good manufacturing practices. What is Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro can help people to maintain their hygiene. Are you worried about your poor personal hygiene? If yes, then this supplement can help you out. It can cure plaque, tooth decay, bad breath, gum diseases, and more. Is your oral hygiene connected with only twice brushing of teeth? How does Dentitox Pro work? Nourishes the gums. There possess many natural ingredients in this product. It included the neem, licorice, peppermint, and more. It can nourish the gums from roots. After nourishment, it tries to repair all gums. Hence, bacteria will not be able to fight against the product. Develops strong enamel. Dentitox Pro now works to increase the strength of enamel. Therefore no bacteria will able to pass it and enter the gums. Also, with its regular use, one can avoid all harmful bacteria in the mouth. Therefore one need not suffer from any dental problems. Complete oral hygiene. After the removal of all harmful bacteria, you will not face any issues. You can observe zero cavities with your teeth. Now you can easily enjoy all sweets at any time. You will surely achieve enhanced oral hygiene within no time. You can get a 30-day supply of Dentitox Pro for a one-time fee of just $69. You can now support the health of your teeth with 100% natural ingredients, no matter if you are 40 or 80 years old. Plus, with every order made, you also get free shipping. All you need to remember is that Dentitox Pro can be found only on their official website and is not available for purchase anywhere else. So, take advantage of the only chance to grab this exclusive formula. Once again, Dentitox Pro is selling very fast, as thousands of people are eager to see for themselves the amazing results of this product. They are so confident that Dentitox Pro will work for you that they even give you an ironclad 60-day, money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description for details.